Alrighty, since we've talked about Enigma FDE, let's talk about a product that has yet to be announced. It's still in development stage, but it's called Enigma FFE, or File Folder Encryption. This is the device, and if we compare that one to an Enigma FDE, and we look here, we notice Enigma FDE, full disk encryption, has a pass-through opening, whereas file folder encryption does not. So that means we won't have to use or worry about write protection, because what we're going to do with this device is encrypt all the data on my computer and in my network if we want to. It's selective. We can select a file, we can select a folder, we can select a directory, or we can select all. And this is how it works. We simply plug it into the USB port. By the way, it's compatible with all of the USB protocols and with both Windows and Mac, depending on the model. So now we have a screenshot. We'll go click on Enigma Enova. Enova is the proprietary chipset. We're going to double click on the application. We're going to click on the user account control, say yes, and up comes our new window. The window here represents a root directory. So Enigma FFE is now seeing all of the data on my desktop and all of my drives, whether they're on the computer or in the network. So we're going to go ahead and click on my desktop, which pulls up the data and the files on my desktop. Notice we have a file up here that has a weird looking icon. The icon is black square with red E, which is Enigma, and it's a file. By the way, also notice that it has a different file extension. The file extension used to be .jpg, now it's .jpg.enova. So we're going to go ahead and highlight that file, and we're going to do a right click. Now, because it's an encrypted file, we'd like to open it, so we'll do a file decrypt. The file has now been decrypted. Notice that here's the file. The actual icon is now back to a JPEG icon. So we can actually do a right click on this one, and we can open the file from this window. There's the picture. We can, let's say we wanted to highlight or encrypt several of these files, and we were selective about what we wanted to encrypt. We want to encrypt that one, we want to encrypt this one, and we want to encrypt that one, and that one. Here's how you encrypt all those files automatically, or not automatically, just at the same time. File encrypt, they're all done. Notice the icons have all changed, and the extensions have all been added with .enova. So if we wanted to open this one, we do a file decrypt. There it is. If we want to open the file now, we can go to open the unencrypted file. There's the picture. If we wanted to attach the file, we're working on this piece where we can attach the file and send an email to someone from this window, or we could paste it to an FTP site. So we'd insert our FTP site here. So pretty valuable little tool. And the value of this tool, as we see it, is to try and gain entrance into the data encryption, I should say the data at rest and data in transit institutional plays. For example, government, agencies, insurance companies, financial companies, and medical companies, or medical companies, all have to protect data at rest and data in transit. And soon there will be more mandates this next year. So by using this tool, we can do all of those things in very short order. So again, I highlight the file. I can go from encrypted to decrypted with one click. There's the file. I can actually click on the file, do a right click, open encrypted file, and there it is. Doesn't matter whether it's a picture or a spreadsheet or a financial document or all of the above. So that's how this particular tool works. We're in the process of making a few changes to it. So if you see something on there that you'd like to comment about, feel free to give me an email. Thank you.